A storm with large hailstones damaged 4/5 of the buildings in a small town in the southern German state of Bavaria, local authorities said Sunday. The storm swept across the southern part of Bavaria on Saturday. In Kissing, just outside Augsburg, police said 12 people were injured when a beer tent that they were trying to put up was blown over. Also in Kissing, the wind ripped wooden slats off the roof of a home for the elderly, while hail caused visible damage to the facade of a residential building, German news agency DPA reported. The worst damage appeared to be in Bad Bersoin, a municipality of about 1,300 people in the Garmisch-Partenkirchen region, near the Austrian border. County authorities said Sunday that it was hit by a hailstones measuring up to 8 centimeters, over 3 inches, which damaged parked cars and smashed roof tiles and attic skylights, while the storm also ripped roofs off some buildings. They said that 80% of the buildings were seriously damaged, but no one was hurt.
To jest jakiś kataklizm. To jest kataklizm.
Guck mal, was hier abgeht. Oh nein, der Stefan ist unterwegs.
Particularly hot heat where 4 people died last weekend. This further underwater corruption also includes Turkey in Istanbul residents disappointed as heavy rain and flash floods led to Turkish metropolis. France, in unusual terms.